Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I brought another new mining project in its beta phase for you. There will be limited users here and the mining itself will also be limited. Along with that, whatever we mine here won't be in the form of points, we'll be directly mining tokens. Yes friends, this project is going to be quite strong in the future. It already has use cases, so let's talk about those things regarding this project. The project's name is iFlux Global, that's what you'll see. It's called iFlux. Here we'll be doing things like trading in a smart way. If we want to buy any coin or token, we can purchase it in installments like on EMI. So how great would it be if we feel like we want to buy a token today but we don't have the money right now? We can keep paying in installments through EMI. We'll be doing all these things here. You'll see that we'll be doing safe trading through installments here. You can also start earning and you only need to pay 15% upfront. For any coin or token you want to buy, no matter the amount, you just have to pay 15% of it now. Then your installments will continue. We'll be doing all these things and that's essentially what this project is about. So here you can buy any tokens if you want. Also you can pay with all these following cryptos, so that's very simple. Also if you want more information, then you can visit their website. If you visit their X profile, you will notice they have only 12k followers right now. Also recently they shared their tokenomics where they mentioned 50% reserves for the community. Also here they share lots of updates about their project, which is a great sign. Before joining, if you want the latest updates related to crypto and airdrops, then you can join our Telegram channel. I'll provide the link in the description, so check it out. To join the airdrop, I'll provide a Telegram link in the description where you'll find this page link. After landing here, you can sign up using your email or you can directly sign up through Google. Select your email and then continue. And registration is complete. Now to start mining, you need to download this Chrome extension, which link I'll provide in the description. Right now there aren't many users, only 80 users, so we are joining super early. So download and install the extension and then open the extension. If your extension shows connected, it means your mining has started already. So click here to open your dashboard. Then log in using your email. Here you will see total miners and active miners who are already farming. If you scroll down, you'll notice your earnings and information. For a fresh account, there isn't much info showing. So click here on the mining node option, then select rewards. Don't forget to claim your daily check-in points. Then go back to the dashboard and here you will see the wallet connect option. Click connect wallet, then choose your wallet. Here you select MetaMask, then connect and then close. So it's done. Also go to the iFlux global account and here in the referral section you will find your referral link which you can share with your friends to boost earnings. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, then feel free to ask in the comment section. If you're new to this channel, then please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.